What's up guys, it's the Gaming Gang and welcome back to another video. And today I'll be showing you how to download all the old Angry Bird games. Yes, the old Angry Bird games, the ones that got removed off the Play Store. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you install these lost Angry Birds games. I'll show you how to install, for example, Angry Birds Epic, and even Angry Birds Seasons. There's obviously some other ones like Angry Birds Go or Angry Birds Space, but you can download those as well. So first you want to go onto Google and search Aptoide and click the first result that shows up. After you're in, there will be a little option at the bottom telling you to download it. So you need to click that. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to show you. But yeah, click the download button and just wait for it to download. After you install Aptoide, open up the app and you'll be greeted by this. You want to click the search button below. So after you click that, you search Angry Birds and the results will come up. There's Angry Birds Classic, Angry Birds Go, Angry Birds Epic, Angry Birds Rio, Angry Birds Star Wars. Yep, quite a lot of Angry Birds games. So basically you click on the one you want to install. For example, I'm just going to get Angry Birds Seasons here, which is trusted, by the way, because there's a shield next to it. I'm going to install it. Wait one sec. And as you can see, I now have it on my phone. And as you can see, Angry Birds Seasons works. So yeah, that's how you get all the old Angry Bird games on your phone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. And I'll see you next time.